In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links to Canva. We'll walk through adding a link to text in a Canva presentation, testing it in slideshow mode, and removing it if you change your mind. Let's get started. First, open Canva and choose a presentation template. Any style will work. The important part is that you're inside a presentation design so you can easily test the link later. Once your canvas is open, click the text you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be a headline, a line in a paragraph, or even a call to action like "Learn more." If you only want part of a sentence to be clickable, highlight just those words. With the text selected, right-click and choose Link. A small link box will appear. Type or paste the full website address in the field. Be sure to include the full URL, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, so the link works correctly. Double-check for extra spaces or typos. Testing later will catch mistakes, but it's best to get it right now. When you're happy with the URL, click Done to apply it. If Canva shows a second confirmation or settings panel, click Done again to close it. Depending on your design style, the text may not visibly change. Some themes don't underline or recolor linked text. Don't worry, the link is still there and will work in presentation mode and in exported formats that support links. Now let's test it. Go to the top right corner and click Present. If you see a menu, select Present to enter slideshow mode. Move to the slide with your linked text and click it. Your browser should open the link in a new tab, confirming everything is working. When you're finished testing, exit the presentation. Press Escape or use the on-screen controls to return to the editor. If you need to remove the link, select the same text back in the editor. Right-click and choose Edit Link to reopen the link box. Click the Remove or Unlink icon to clear the URL. The text remains exactly as it was, just no longer clickable. That's it. You've opened a presentation template, added a link to selected text, confirmed it by clicking Done, tested it in present mode, and exited the presentation. And if you need to clean up later, you now know how to remove the link quickly. Always test your links before sharing or presenting, so your audience lands exactly where you intend.